XL, may pocket, may inner lining magaan. Ganyan ang likod. Yan, 350 pa mine 5. Mine 5, 350. Uy, ano yan? Yan, mine 5, 350 pesos. Yan, mine 5, 350, large hanggang semi-XL. Ganda nito, Mi. This is charcoal gray na may konting pagka-bluish. Yan, mine 5, large hanggang semi-XL, 350, ganyan siya sa likod. Yan, mine 5, 350. Yan, mine 5, 350, wala dito. Huy, malaki to, Mi. Huy, malaki to, mga bebe. Yan, malaki. Eto Bershka, branded. Bershka yan ha, branded yan. Yan, ganyan sa likod. This is with inner lining. May dumi ba to, cha? Ano, te? May dumi ba to? Wala. Yan, Bershka to, Mi. Bershka. Bershka ka. Ayan, Bershka. Yan, Bershka branded. Yan, ganyan sa likod, mga bebe. This is mint. Yan, small. Anong size ng suot mo, sis? Large hanggang semi-XL po. Yan, extra small. Extra small lang po. Yan, extra small Bershka brand. Polyester with inner lining. Yan, extra small. Pwede sa maliit na brasong small. Yan, mint. Ganyan sa malayo. Branded po ata. Yan. Yan. Hi, Ma'am. Seb. Yan. Okay. Yan. Hi, Junie. Thank you, Ma'am Chi. Yan. Extra small to slim fit small Bershka. May pocket with inner lining. Yan siya sa likod. Yan. Okay. May pocket. Sealed. Hindi pa nasusuot. Yan. Bershka. Paulit-ulit. 399. Sorry na. 399 pa mine 5. Mine 5, 399. Yan, mine 5, 399. Yan, mine 5, 399. This is Bershka, ang suot ko. Mine 5, yung kakahubad mo lang. Oo, bluish gray. Pero mas lamang yung pagka-grayish niya. Uy, ayaw nyo. Bershka to. Mi, Bershka to. Ayaw nyo. O, ayan. Ganyan ang brand. Bershka. Yan. Small, slim fit to. Small, slim fit. Yan. Small, slim fit. At ang gray, large hanggang semi-XL. Yan. Large hanggang semi-XL. Polyester. Yan. Bershka. Ay, Bershka. Yan, large hanggang semi-XL mga Mi. Yan. Pwede sa XL, maliit na brasong XL. 350, may pocket polyester. Yan. Kunin mo to, Mi. 380 pala. Sorry na. 380. 380. O, sige na nga, 350 na. 350 pa, mine 8. Mine 8. 350. Large hanggang semi-XL. Yan, large hanggang semi-XL. Yan, mine 8. Large hanggang semi-XL, 350 pesos. Yan, walang brand, walang Bear brand. Ayaw nyo pang kunin. Ang ganda-ganda nito, Mi. Yan, ayaw nito, walang brand. Yan, brandless. Yan, brandless. Yan, wala dito. Yan, wala. Okay. Next. Yan, next tayo. Short sleeve black. Ganyan siya sa likod. Yan, short sleeve black. Ganyan siya sa likod. Yan, walang inner lining. Yan, okay, this is oversized short sleeve. This is XL 2X. Yan, XL 2X may pocket. Ganyan siya sa malayo. Yan, ay, bakit ba ganun? Yan, XL 2X black. Yan, lightweight cotton. Yan, mga Mi, this one, this is, yan, 250, pamine 19. Mine 19250 XL hanggang semi 2X. Mine 19250. Yan, short sleeve. Yeah, mine 19, mine 19. Yan, XL hanggang semi 2X. Yan, mine 19. Yeah, mine 19. Wala dito. Yeah, mine 19. Ito ang ganda. Yan, napakasyala. Yan, very nice stuff. Yeah, with inner lining, polyester, ganyan sa likod. Yan, this is large hanggang semi-XL. Yan, large hanggang semi-XL. Ang ganda nito, grabe. 399 bagong-bago. Yan, 399 bagong-bago. Grabe, ang ganda. Large hanggang semi-XL, pwedeng pang event. Yan, ganyan sa malayo. Mine 1, 399. Yan, mine 1, 399 hanggang XL. Yeah, mine 1, 399. Mine 1, 399. Sealed packet. May packet ba? Yan. Mine 1, 399. Yan, mine 1, 399 dito. Uy, mag-mine naman kayo. Nakakagigil. Nakakagigil. Yan, okay. This is pinstripes. Yan. This is white. Tapos may blue. Yeah, may inner lining, may shoulder pad, closer loop. Yan, okay. This is small hanggang semi-med. Yan, small hanggang semi-med me. Ayan, cotton, may pocket. Yan, closer loop. Pwede sa medium slim fit. Yan, 250 pa mine 25. Mine 25, medium slim fit kaya. Yan, mine 25, medium slim fit. Yun sa likod. Yeah, mine 25, medium slim fit. Yeah, mine 25. Yeah, mine 25. Yan, medium pwede. Yeah, mine 25, mine 25. Walang white. Yeah, walang white. Wala kaming white, matagal na. Pang office black. Ayan, hindi siya mabigat. Yan, Miss Ed. Ano pangalan nun? Edser. Yan, Edser. Pa-SSD, Ma'am Shi. Yan, Edser. Yan, thank you. Yan, pa-send ng screenshot. Pa-SSD po, pa-PM. Yan. Okay, this is black polyester with inner lining. Yan, ganyan siya sa likod, mga bebe. This is medium. Yan, this is medium. SSD, Ma'am Shi. Yan, SSD po. Yan, thank you, Ma'am Shi. Yan, pasend ng screenshot. Yan, 123, 123, 123. Yan, okay. This is medium pang office. Hanggang semi-large kaya. Yan, lightweight polyester 220. Mine 68. Yeah, mine 68 220. Medium hanggang semi-large. Yeah, mine 68 220. Mine 68 220. Medium hanggang semi-large. Yeah, mine 68. Pang office, black na black, may shoulder pad. Yeah, mine 68 to 20 pesos. Yan, ito large hanggang semi-XL. Large hanggang semi-XL, lightweight polyester premium, may inner lining. Yan, okay, ganyan sa likod, lightweight. This is large hanggang semi-XL, 350. Yan, 350 polyester, bagong-bago, hindi pa nasusuot. Mine 98. Mine 98, 350. Yeah, mine 98, 350. Large hanggang semi-XL. Yan, mine 98, 350 pesos. Yan, mine 98, 350. May ganyan na po ako, sis. Oh, ngayon lang ako nag-flex nito eh. Totoo. Ganito ka na. Yan. Yeah, wala dito. Wala na. Ito lang large. Nala-large me. Yan. Wala dito. Printed. Lightweight. Magaan lang. Flowy. Yan. Lightweight. Ayan. Mga me. Walang inner lining. May shoulder pad. Yan. Ganyan sa likod. Yan. This one. This is 2X. XL 2X. Lightweight. Walang inner lining. Yan. XL 2X 250. Mine 11. Mine 11 hanggang 2X pa siya. Mine 11, 250 pesos. Yan, mine 11, 250. Mine 11. Ayan, 250 hanggang 2X. Bagong-bago to. Yan, mine 11, 250 pesos. Yan, mine 11, 250. Mine 11. Yan, mine 11. Eto, khaki. Ayan, polyester, ganyan sa likod. Yeah, with inner lining, may shoulder pad. Ganyan sa likod. Yan, this is lightweight, medium. Yan, medium size hanggang semi-large. Yan, may pocket mga mi. Yan, medium hanggang semi-large, khaki, polyester, 350. Mine 44. Mine 44, medium hanggang semi-large. Mine 44, 350 pesos. Yan, mine 44, ganyan sa likod. Yan, mine 44. Yan, mine 44. Yan, medium hanggang semi-large. Yeah, wala po. Wala na kaming short sleeve. Yan, wala. Wala kaming short sleeve. Yan, short sleeve namin isa lang. Ito. Yan, 2X. Yan, 2X, XL, 2X. Yan, XL, 2X. Yan, XL2X, walang lining. Yan, XL2X, 250, mine 250. Ayan, lightweight lang. Yan, mine 250. Yan, large hanggang semi-XL. Cotton, ayan, may shoulder pad. Ay, walang shoulder pad. Yan, ganyan sa likod, mga bebe. This is large hanggang semi-XL, 300. Mine 44. O, 280 na lang. Mine 44, large hanggang semi-XL. Mine 44, large hanggang semi-XL. Yan, mine 44, 280 pesos. Yan, large hanggang semi-XL. Mine 44, mine 44, may pocket. Yan, mine 44, large hanggang semi-XL. Yan, mine 44, mga mi. Yan, mine 44, large hanggang semi-XL, gray color. Yan, mine 44. Yan, okay, another lightweight plaid. Yan, walang inner lining. Yan, ganyan sa loob, walang inner lining, cotton, walang shoulder pad, ganyan sa likod. Yan, this is medium. Yan, medium, mga bebe. Ayan, lightweight, and then design pocket. 200. 200 pa mine 68. Yan, medium. 200 pa mine 68. 200 pa mine 68. Yan, mine 68, 200. Yan, mine 68, 200 large. Wala tong lining. Ayan, walang lining, mga mi. Yan. Ano bang gagawin namin sa inyo? Yan. Puro large XL lang hanap. Anong gagawin? Wala namang ganung bill. Puro large XL. Yan. Wala dito, mga mi. Wala dito. Anong hanap nyo, mga bebe? Eto, medium. 200 lang. Yan, medium. 200 lang. Yan, eto lightweight. Ang ganda ng color. Ganyan siya, oh. May print to. Yan, with inner lining, may shoulder pad. Yan, okay. This is medium up to semi-large. Lightweight lang to. Yan, medium up to semi-large, may pocket. O, 200. Mine 44, medium hanggang semi-large. Mine 44, medium hanggang semi-large. Yan, mine 44, medium hanggang large pala to. Hanggang large to kasha. Yan, mine 44,200, blue-green. Ganda nito, Mi. Yan, may print yung ano nito, oh. Mine 44,200, medium large, hanggang large size. Yan, mine 44,200 pesos. Yan, mine 44. Wala ding large na block. Yan, puro large ang hanap. Anong gagawin natin? Wala namang ganun pin. Puro large ang laman. Puro large ang hanap ng miners. Peach yun, baby girl. Alin ba? Eto? Ano ba yun? Eto, Mi? Large hanggang XL. Yan, 399. Very nice to. Yan, 399, large XL. Yan, okay. This is black, lightweight. Yan, this is large mga Mi. Lightweight. Ayan, ang ganda. Ayan, closer look. Ganyan siya sa malayo. Yan, 200, large, black. Yan, 200, large, black. May shoulder pad. Pamine, 6.5. Yeah, mine 6.5, 200. Yan, mine 6.5, 200 o 180 na lang. Mine 6.5, 180, large polyester. Yan, 180, 180. Yeah, walang light blue. Wala po. Oh, eto another crumpled lightweight. Oh, kulay brown. Lightweight to, walang inner lining. 150. Yan, 150 brown. This is medium. Alam, ganda niya. Ay, 180 pala. Sorry na. Huy, ang ganda niya in fairness. Medium hanggang semi-large. 180 may pocket. Ganyan sa malayo. Yan, medium hanggang semi-large pa mine to 180. Yan, mine to 180, lightweight lang. Yeah, mine to medium hanggang semi-large. Mine to 180. Yeah, mine to 180, medium hanggang semi-large. Yan, sige, kwentuhan na lang tayo, mga Mi. Ayaw mag-mind. Pagka gusto nyo magtanong lang kayo, mga mamshi. Ha? Kasi ang hirap mag-flex. Mangawa kami dito, hindi naman nyo bet. Yan, okay? Yan, dito ayaw nyo. Lightweight lang to, pang topper. Yeah, may light blue. Walang light blue. Eto medium black. Yan, medium black. Yan, medium black. Eto small hanggang semi-mid black. Yan. Napaka-elegant. Yan. Wala po. Ganito lang. Yan. This is medium hanggang semi-large. 200. Yan, 200, medium hanggang semi-large. Eto medium, pa-dress type. Yan, medium, pa-dress type. Yan, 280, medium, pa-dress type to. Maganda to. Yan, medium, polyester, may inner lining. Yan, okay? Walang pocket. Yan, shoulder pad, wala. Yan, 250 pa mine 24. Ay, sealed pocket pala to. Mine 24, 250 pesos. Yan, mine 24, 250. Alin, ito? Ito? Yan, ito? Yan, nasukat na natin to kahapon, Ma'am Jervin. Ito kasha. Yan, 15 lang ang shoulder nito. Yan, eto mi, eto ba? Yan, 200 lang. Yan, medium hanggang semi-large po. Yan, medium hanggang semi-large. Yan, okay. This is Barbie pink. Makapalang tela with inner lining. Ganyan siya sa likod. Pag ganito tayo ng ganito, naku, hindi kami tatagal. Yan. May konting dirt dito. Lalabahan lang. Ha? Lalabahan lang ni. Yan, Barbie pink. Oh, lalabahan lang yung arm, yung accent. Yan, makapalang tela. Yan, okay. Ganyan siya sa likod. Yan, small hanggang semi-med, may lalabhan lang dito. Makapal po ito, pang 280, 300. Ayan, lalabhan lang po ito, washable po yan. O, 180, pamay 9. May 9, 180 pesos. Yan, may 9, 180. Yan, may 9, 180. Alin po? Yung eto. Medium po, Ma'am Shi. 250. 220. Yan, 220. Yan, medium hanggang semi-large. Yan, medium hanggang semi-large, 220. Yan, medium hanggang semi-large, 220. Yan, closer look. Yan, 220, mine, 220. Yeah, mine, 220 po. Small black. Eto, kulay black. Yeah, with inner lining, may shoulder pad. Malaki yun, Ma'am Shi. Yan, this is extra small. Ay. Extra small to slim fit small. Yan. Pang fitted arm ng small. Yan, fitted arm ng small kaya. Yan, pang office, fitted arm ng small. Fit na fit sa kilikili ha. Yan, 220 pa mine 3. Mine 3, 220. Yan, mine 3, 220 pesos. Yan, ata. Yan, ato mi. Yung may color elegant. Color elegant. Hindi ko na alam, be. Ito, yung may collar pala, sorry na. Yung collar elegant. Kulay black. Hindi ko alam, baby girl. Kulay black ba yun? Wala, hindi ko alam. Eto. May keme siya. May keme. May something. Yeah, may light run. Pero hindi naman masyadong kita. Isi-sale ko na to. Hindi ko na matandaan, be. Pasensya na po. Alin ba? Eto? Yan. Okay, black polyester. Yan, may tag pa to. Small hanggang semi-med. Yan, small hanggang semi-med. Napakaganda nito, Mi. Ayan, pang office, napaka-elegant, may tag. Yan, small hanggang semi-med, 250. Pamine, 88. Mine 88, 250 pesos. Yan, mine 88, 250. Mine 88, small hanggang semi-med. Yan, ang ganda nito, promise. Mine nyo to, small hanggang semi-med. Yan, mine 88 na sasarado po. Ito ha. Yan, mine 88. Mine 88. Ayan, nasasara. Ganyan siya ang atake. Small hanggang semi-med, 250 pesos. Yan, mine 88. Yan, mine 88, small hanggang semi-mid. May tag po. Yan, mine 88. Eto, this is lightweight. Another black. Ganyan sa likod. With inner lining. Yeah, wala pong pare-parehas. Wala po, nag-iisa lang yun. Yan, this is medium up to semi-large, lightweight polyester. Hindi rin mahaba, pang office, lightweight polyester. May pocket. 250 pa mine 3. Mine 3, medium hanggang semi-large, 250. Yan, mine 3, medium hanggang semi-large, 250. Yan, mine 3, medium hanggang semi-large, 250 pesos. Yan, mine 3, medium hanggang semi-large. Pang office po ito, lightweight. Yan, mine 3, may pocket. Mine 3, 250 pesos. Yan, mine 3, 250, medium hanggang semi-large. Yan, mine 3, wala dito. Eto brown, lightweight. Yan, linen ang cloth, oversize. Wala po, hindi ko po alam. Mga ano lang po yun nandito, ordinary. Walang kakaiba. Yeah, walang kakaiba. Yan, eto this one, midnight blue na may pagka-light greenish. Satin po ito. Yan, paabang na lang. Mahirap po maghanap ng ganun. Yan, okay, lightweight, may inner lining. Yan. Satin or silk. Yan, ang size po nito is large. Yan. Half halter? Walang ganun. Mostly pang office lang to. Yan, large hanggang semi-XL, lightweight satin, may pocket. Shoulder pad, wala. Ang ganda nito mga migay sa malayo. Yan, ganda ng kulay, rare. Yan, ang ganda ng butones, 250, pa-mine 16. Mine 16, large hanggang semi-XL. Yan, mine 16. Yan, wala pa ako nakitang ganyan. Mine 16, 250. Mga halter? May halter bang, blazer? Wala kaming halter na blazer. Yeah, walang halter na blazer. Yeah, wala dito.